Hey guys, I want to show you this bitchin' 1972 K5 Blazer. It's a Subaru tan color with a bright white down the side with upper and lower trim. It's got Fox shocks with external reservoirs. The whole bottom of the truck is cut and polished and painted, no liners or anything like that on it. It's got Wheelwood 4-wheel disc brakes. Aluminum tank, fuel tank. It's got trick latches on the doors. Vintage heat and air. Dakota digital gauges, Bluetooth stereo, full custom upholstery. Single wall top. And the bitchin' part about the truck is the motor. I'll show you the motor. It's a Gen 5 LT1. Full custom firewall. CBS racing serpentine with the dual fans, aluminum radiator, optimum battery. Bottom of the hood is cut and polished. Wheelwood master cylinder. Pretty clean truck. It's probably the most favorite one we built here at Why Not Motors. Everything fits money. It runs and drives like a dream. Super cool truck. We need to go around it. '72 K5 Blazer. Dual exhaust. Has the tailgate band on it, the upper trim piece. Those are Method wheels with TIS tires. They're 35s, 1250s. Pretty bitchin' truck, guys. Thanks for following us.